spend hours carefully building a massive project schedule, only to find that your timeline and cost calculations are completely broken. This failure typically stems from a single oversight, skipping the initial configuration and relying on default settings that don't match your project's reality. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll establish a foundational configuration that ensures Microsoft Project calculates every task and expense exactly as intended. To start, open a fresh, blank Microsoft Project file and create a dedicated local folder on your computer to save it. Setting these parameters now prevents hours of manual recalibration and forensic debugging when the project scales. Save your new project file into the dedicated folder you just created to establish a secure baseline for your work. Now, move your focus to the bottom left corner of the interface and locate the status bar. Click the text that reads New Tasks, Manually Scheduled, and change the setting to Auto-Scheduled. Manual scheduling is a significant risk. As your project changes, thousands of downstream tasks would require individual manual updates, making human error almost certain. Auto-Schedule enables the software's calculation engine to dynamically adjust your entire timeline as variables and dependencies shift. Establishing this rule first ensures the software handles the arithmetic of date calculation automatically as you build your project. To access the deeper system settings, navigate to the File tab and click on Options. Inside the General tab of the Options menu, locate the Date Format drop-down menu. Select a date format that explicitly includes the specific time of day, such as 12:33. This setting exposes a common conflict. Your project file may assume an 8 a.m. start, while your calendar assumes 9 a.m., creating a hidden 1-hour gap. This 1-hour discrepancy cascades silently. It causes tasks to misalign and pushes start times progressively later across your entire project schedule. Displaying the time within the date format makes these discrepancies visible, allowing you to spot and fix them before they affect your data. Now move down to the Display tab on the left-hand menu. Use the Currency drop-down to select the correct local currency for your specific project. Defining these granular time and currency settings prevents background mismatches from quietly affecting your project's logic and budget. Select the Schedule tab on the left menu. This section controls how the software interprets your resource and timeline data. Set week starts on to match your specific company's standard working week. Locate the Show Assignment Units As option and change the default setting from percentage to decimal. Decimal units allow you to logically assign one laborer or one machine as a whole number, which is more intuitive than using a percentage. Ensure the Duration is entered in field is set to days. Set the Work is entered in field to days as well, ensuring your data aligns with standard man-day calculations. Scroll down to the Calculation section of this tab and verify that Calculate Project After Each Edit is toggled on. With these scheduling parameters locked in, the software will use the same measurement and logic standards as your project management team. Click the OK button at the bottom of the menu to apply your new configuration. Although the interface looks the same as it did before, the software's internal logic is now aligned with the specific rules you just established. Your days will calculate accurately, your resources are formatted in decimals, and your schedule is protected from the default timing conflicts we identified. You are now ready to building your work breakdown structure without risk of systemic errors. Like and subscribe to see our upcoming video on creating a WBS.
If you want to master Microsoft Project with practical construction examples, join the online professional certificate course of Onyx. Learn from industry experts and build job-ready planning skills. Limited seats available. Join now.